everyone, welcome to the Swatch series featuring Chameleon Markers. Now, the reason why I started the Swatch series is so that I can first of all swatch out all my materials to get them nice and organized, and also I know that for people they like to see the color up close and personal to see if it's a color that they may want to purchase themselves. I know that art supplies can be expensive, so I will swatch out my colors so that you can see if it might be a color that you want. And I definitely don't have all the colors, but I do have a ton of different shades. So let me share them with you and you can see which ones are your favorite. This swatch system that I'm using is called the Pluck in Place swatch system, and I will leave a link so you can see where I purchased it. And what I love about it is that when I'm done swatching these, I can cut them all out and put a piece of Velcro on the back, and I can organize them that way so that if I get any new colors, I can add them in and rearrange it so that it's still in a color coordinated order and not just have to add it to the end, if that makes sense. And for some reason this baby blue, I think that it just has no color left in it because I don't think that baby blue is that color. So that's just a heads up there on that one. Okay, now back to the Pluck in Place system. If you are interested in purchasing a Pluck in Place system, you can use my affiliate code SarahStyle10 to save 10% off of your purchase. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video and you can see exactly what the system looks like when it's all done and cut out and laid out. I do have a more in-depth video of how to use these chameleon markers, and I will link that down below. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and watch that video. If you like this swatch series, let me know because I have a ton of art supplies, not just pens, but other things too that I need to swatch out. So I plan to do that so that you guys can see all the different colors that there are and maybe make a better decision for yourself on if it's a color you might like or dislike. So this is what it's going to look like when it's all cut out. As you can see, there's a Velcro piece back here and then there's a Velcro piece here. So the reason why I like this is because if you get a new color, you can move them all down so that it's still in rainbow order. And then also up here you can label what pens they are. And then I like to just add mine to my binder. And this helps me if I want to determine a color palette. I can say maybe I want to use this blue and this blue. I can pick them off and put them together and see if I like that color combination. So that is how I swatch my pens, and make sure you stay tuned because I'm also going to be swatching out all these other pens too in another series.